हेलो स्टूडेंट, स्वागत है आप सबका हमारी चैनल में। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ईएसआईसी के द्वारा ली गई फार्मासिस्ट की एग्ज़ाम का पेपर। तो इसमें हम क्वेश्चन और उसके आंसर देखते जाएंगे। जो ग्रीन कलर का राइट सिग्नल है वो है ट्रू आंसर। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन आयुर्वेदिक प्रिपरेशन कंटेनिंग सेल्फ जनरेटेड अल्कोहल। आंसर है आसव। The procedure of removing ovary is called as oophorectomy. Which of the following is important document of hospital containing collective list of drug, that is hospital formulary. Acid fastness in acid fast staining is due to abundance of mycolic acid in bacteria. Respiratory distress syndrome in premature infant is caused by absence of lecithin. Billing method is a method of family planning. The heteroatom present in phenothiazine are sulfur and oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. The sulfur containing amino acid is alanine. Spherical shaped bacteria are termed as cocci. Which of the following can be marketed under generic name? Analgin. An important site of fetal blood cell production is spleen. Adverse drug reaction does not occur due to drug change. Marasmus is associated with protein and carbohydrate deficiency. The orthotoluidine test is performed for assessing the effectiveness of chlorination. Endothelium is the squamous endothelium associated with lymph vessel. Hemostatic forceps are also known as artery forceps. Glucocorticoids are involved in fat metabolism. Encyclostomata duodenal is nematode. The form for issue of license to sell, stock, exhibit for sale or distribute drugs specified in Schedule X is retail in 20F. The deficiency in activity of sphygmomyelinase enzyme lead to Niemann-Pick disease. Deglutination is a term related to swallowing. Transfever is a rickettsial disease, an element having vital role in biosynthesis of thyroid hormone, obviously iodine. Milk contain gum. Natural occurring symptomatic is reserpine. The condition of weight loss and muscle atrophy in severe chronic illness is called cachexia. Trachoma is an infectious disease of eye. Which of the following is superficial vein of cardiovascular system? Basilica vein. In presence of food, absorption of drug such as ampicillin reduces. A committee formed in hospital setting that is responsible for overall pharmaceutical care is termed by WHO as DTC. Which of the following serve as one of the laboratory for producing oral polio vaccine? Pasteur Institute of India, Coonar. The price that equates market supply and market demand is called market clearing price. Which of the following is plasma kinine? Calidin. Bismuth subcarbonate is an adsorbent and astringent. Which of the following is not an cell-derived mediator for inflammation? Kinine. Chromone are isomeric with coumarin. Wilms tumor is also known as nephroblastoma. Which of the following is an antithyroid drug? Methimazole. A pharmacy professional should be observant. Melanin is derived from which of the following amino acid? Tyrosine. Treponema pallidum is causative organism of syphilis. Standard for drugs, surgical dressing are given in Schedule F2. Protein DNA complex in higher organism is called as chromatin. Killer-killing test is specific for digitoxin. Synovial cell in joint is example of macrophage. Anaphylaxis energy falls under the which of the following type of hypersensitivity? Type 1. Vitamin involved in the biosynthesis of collagen is ascorbic acid. Nicotinic receptor is a ligand-gated cation channel. The Conference Board is an organization for compiling the index of leading indicator. The percentage change in quantity caused by 1% change in price is known as price elasticity of demand. The channel involving retailer and wholesaler is typical channel. Alzheimer's disease, which peptide level is elevated? Beta amyloid. Thomson disease is associated with muscular dystrophy. Both snail and crab are vector for which of the following disease? Paragonimiasis. When the anesthetic is injected in subarachnoid space is termed as spinal anesthesia. An integral membrane glycoprotein of human erythrocyte is glycophorin. Classification of bacteria as heterotrophs is based on energy source. Which of the following is a plant growth regulator? Gibberellin. Quaternary ammonium compound that is used as detergent is ceramide. Which of the following is a non-peptide hormone produced by posterior pituitary gland? Vasopressin. Which of the following hormone inhibits the secretion of insulin, glucagon and growth hormone? Somatostatin. The pharmaceutical price regulation scheme is exercised to have indirect control over brand price. The salt used in X-ray study of GI tract is barium sulfate. The natural alkaloid used in treatment of gout is colchicine. Schedule S referred to standard for cosmetic. Clinical obesity is condition in the BMI range is 30 to 40 kilogram per meter square. Which of the following not waste product of protein metabolism? Ammonia, a drug that promotes diuresis by antagonizing the action of aldosterone. Spironolactone. Phylloquinone is another name of vitamin K. Senna belongs to family of leguminous. Who among the following referred as father of Indian pharmacy? M.L. Shroff. The phase in mitosis in which complementary of 46 chromosome is visible under the microscope is called prophase. An increase in size of an organ or tissue that is not associated with cancer is termed as hyperplasia. Which of the following is an H2 receptor antagonist? Cimetidine. Which of the following is also called as milk of magnesium? Magnesium hydroxide. The active metabolite of imipramine is desipramine. Etoposide is semi-synthetic derivative of plant glycoside. Penalty for non-disclosure of name of manufacturer is 1000 rupees. Pilocarpine is alkaloid containing imidazole. Non-competitive enzyme inhibitor is acetazolamide. Which of the following is quinolone containing urinary tract anti-infective agent? Ciprofloxacin. The capacity of drug to cause fetal abnormality is called as tetragenicity. The disease that is completely eradicated from India through systemized immunization program is smallpox. The nutrient antioxidant present in berry is ellagic acid. Curchi is an steroidal alkaloid. hydrogen peroxide assay is performed by redox titration. An amino acid considered as lipotrophic factor is methionine. The art of planning, organizing, staffing, motivating and controlling is called as management. Adipose tissue in newborn is called brown fat. The intake of minimum 4 to 10 drug at same time on regular therapeutic basis is called as polypharmacy. Captopril is a ACE inhibitor, mRNA synthesized in a nucleus as hnRNA. Condensation of chromatin and shrinkage of nucleus leading to cell death is termed as necrosis. Which of the following is a macrolide antibiotic? Erythromycin. The price fixed by Indian government for schedule formation according to provision of DPCO is called as selling price. Specific test for identifying imidazole ring in amino acid, polytest. Structure evolution of patient's medication for improving health outcome is termed as medication review.